Well, right now, we're not looking at changing anything as far as iPads at CHS and CHS9 and MacBooks at New Tech. Right now, that's still our plan for the next school year. If there's something that's going to be more significant after that, that's where this technology committee is coming in to give us more feedback, because we do, again, recognize the value of those devices, but we also don't want to spend money where kids might not be utilizing them to the fullest extent. I'm very excited about the opening of that 9th grade campus. For high school students, they've got 2 great options. They could either go to New Tech as a rookie, as a 9th grader, or they could go to CHS9. And what we have found at CHS9 is that it has really been an opportunity for us to meet 9th grade needs in a separate location. They still have that connection to Coppell High School. They still can participate in many things at Coppell High School, but they also have their own experiences at CHS9. We want to make sure that we have adequate space for everyone. We have a new elementary school opening in Valley Ranch. It's Canyon Ranch Elementary. It will open this fall. Very excited about that new school opening. We added CMS West with a larger location, or a bigger design, and in its new location, so that hopefully will help as far as long-term plans with middle school. And then opening CHS9 has really helped us with overcrowding issues at Coppell High School. We've seen improvements, as we've mentioned already, with athletics and athletic facilities. We've seen minor improvements in other areas like the library and fine arts. You're going to see even more in those areas, especially in the academic area and the common areas. And so very excited about that. As a school district, we recognize that we have issues with drug and alcohol abuse and use in our district and in our community. And so we've got to take action to try to resolve that. As you know, this is a Shattered Dreams school year. And so with Shattered Dreams, we always try to beef up our assemblies and programs that deal with alcohol use and abuse. But also alongside that are issues with vaping and issues with illegal drug use and even prescription drug use.